This bird is hurt. I'm at the director's park, and I gave it some food. And there's that little water thing there, water saucer. I don't think he's gonna drink any water. Looks like the left leg is broken. I want to see if he drinks. No, he's still pecking. Still looking for food. What about water? Want to drink? Yeah, I'm gonna put some more of this stuff down. Let's see if he eats, if he runs. Okay, very gently. We gotta put it down here. There you go. Put the back there. Put the back. Put the bag there. Kids, gotta eat something, huh? Fatten you up. It's sweet bread. The Lord is talking to me. No, yeah. He's eating sweet bread, but that second piece of bread right there, that looks like the head of Gabrielle. There's a group over there. Oh, you alright? Well, I should suffice your hunger for now. You got a drink for me. Show you drink, okay? He eats, but he won't drink anything. Leviticus 18. Feed them food, yes. Obey the Lord. I told you, he's double talking to me. Couples and singles, huh? Don't you gonna drink anything? Ooh, that's a bad hit. Drink. He knows. No. It's just hard, bro. I can go off in it. The system that God has given to us, isn't it? Imagine if God stopped feeding us the way this animal has been fed. We'd all be in trouble, wouldn't we? The animal has a weak left leg. I don't know how it got that way. It looks warped, broken. Can't even do anything with it. And on account of that leg, it doesn't even seem like he can fly either. And, looks like it's in pain, a lot of pain. Last time I dealt with one of those was with a pigeon. I think it might have been not a pigeon, but a crow. I think it might have been a crow. When I got to the crow was already dying, and then it died in my arms. I guess he's had his fill, and he's just walking away. I'm going to go ahead and stop the camera. I just wanted to remind, I guess, he's behind the chair there on the other side. Show you what's around here. This is Director's Park. And that's the Paramount Hotel over there. And this is construction. It's Nordstrom. There's a huge crane up there. It looks like a serpent, like the biggest one in the city. But there it is. Now it's by the water. And now you know, after eating all that bread, and it's gonna be tooting all over the place. It's gonna jump into the water. I don't know if the water is drinkable. Anyway, I guess that's it for the night. Here I am, the cameraman.